Okay, I know about Ultra Racing is through E Rev, and of course, many years ago when I was driving a Toyota Vios, I did install the front strut bar also. So that time I'm pretty new to car accessories and stuff, and I just installed a front strut bar and I noticed a difference. So when I drove this car, I don't intend to have any modification until, you know, when I visit E Rev, they introduce it to me, and then after that I install, I noticed that it's really a lot of difference in terms of handling, the traction on the floor, everything. So I recommend it to my car group, and a lot of them also, you know, sing praises to it. And I mean, through their past experience, because of different age group, a lot of them have been driving car for so many years, so they know which are the product that is really put to advantage to the car and the performance of the car.
I'm from aviation industry. I'm actually an aircraft technician. So I heard this anti-roll bar, Ultra Racing anti-roll bar from one of the group chat in CHR Singapore. So after installing, I feel that body doesn't roll as much as before, and the handling is actually improved. When you go inside the corner end of it, you can accelerate further. So this actually stabilizes the car chassis, and the safety measure wise, I would say is excellent. And over the past year, I've been monitoring this Ultra Racing. In fact, their quality and this product has improved tremendously over the years. That's great.